Let's be honest. Most doulas didn't get into this work to spend hours trying to write captions, figure out what to post, or worry about engagement. But here we are. Because being good at what you do isn't enough if people don't know you exist. You don't need to be an influencer. You just need a good content system, one that helps you show up consistently, connect with the right people, and keep your calendar full without burning out. Sounds impossible? It's not. Today, I'm going to walk you through what that system needs to include, whether you use our resources or build your own. It's not a complicated strategy. It's not a color-coded nightmare. You just need a simple content plan that connects back to your goals. So think about, what are you promoting this month? Who are you trying to reach? And what questions are people asking you right now? If you're posting without knowing those things, you're just filling space, not building trust. Stop copying what business coaches are posting. You need prompts and ideas that reflect your own voice, your experience, and your heart, and the real questions your clients are asking you. So we don't just educate, but we also relate. And that's how you turn the scrolls into consults and then clients. Some doulas batch a month of content in a day. Others take it, 1 week at a time. But you need a rhythm that fits the way you work, not a rigid, post every day or you're going to fail. You have to find the batching rhythm that gives you some breathing room, lets you be present for the real work that you're actually doing. And you're not just creating content, you're also running a business. You need a way to look at your content and ask, is this bringing in the right people, your ideal clients? Exactly what is turning into inquiries, and what can you do more of? So once you take a look at those first two things, the what can you do more of comes into play. You need a simple tracker, even if it's just once a month, that can help you stop wasting time posting the content that isn't converting. The one system that is most overlooked, right? So if you want to grow faster, you need to start collaborating. Connections are everything. Get in front of other people's audiences. And that could mean guest teaching, joint post, podcast swaps, bundles. Relational marketing is your ticket to growth. You don't have to do it alone, and you definitely shouldn't. If you're ready to finally get your content under control, whether it's just starting out or trying to grow your agency, I really want to make it easy for you. I've put everything that I just mentioned into one free resource. It's called the Doula CEO Content System Toolkit. It includes a content planning template, over 100 doula-specific content prompts, a batching calendar, a monthly metrics tracker, and 10 collab content ideas to help you grow faster. The link's below. Grab it if you want to stop guessing and start showing up with a real system. And drop a comment too, right? Let me know what piece of content creation stresses you out the most, and I can help. And don't forget to subscribe. We've got more trainings coming to help you build your business like a birth boss.